that makes it quite definite in which direction the particle is moving. It must be moving like this, suffering an energy loss here. It cannot have been moving in the reverse direction, suffering an energy gain. Well, this one photograph of Anderson was quite definite to establish that he had there the positively charged electron, or the positron as it was named. And it had the same mass as the electron. Well, that completes the story of how the positron was discovered. Anderson, I heard, was working quite independently of my theory and was not influenced at all by it, simply studying the pictures which he could obtain with a Wilson chamber in the magnetic field.